guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olivia and today I will be showing you how to make borax crystals. So if you guys are interested, let's go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab 3 pipe cleaners and you want to tie the end to make like a long pipe cleaner. Okay, so after you've done that, you want to make like a little like that. Something like a circle like this, and make another one, just 2 little circles, and then you want to put the rest through and then leave just like a little loop like right here, and then you want to put it through again, and you just want to do that same process all over and over again until you get like a little bowl looking thing. So this is good enough. As you can see, it's like a little bowl thing because it's deep right here. When you're done with the bowl, you're gonna have to tie the ends right here, just so it won't be loose. So you just wanna like twist them together like that. So the next step is to grab some scissors and some thread. You don't want to make the string too big, or actually it depends on how deep your cup is. Okay, so now you just want to tie the string to the little coil. Now you want to grab a wooden skewer, and you want to tie the thread to the skewer right here. Yeah, and it has to be not right in the middle, but it has to be like centered, just so it won't, because the skewer is gonna be holding it on the cup. So after you put you tie your coil and your thread to your skewer, you wanna set this aside, and let's go to our next step. So for the next step, you want a glass measuring cup, and also you need adult supervision because we will be using fire, and you need to be safe. So yeah, okay. So you need to grab or you need to pour in 2 cups of water. Okay, that is enough. So now let's turn on the stove. Okay, so you want the water to be hot enough to boil. So you need to wait a little bit. Once the water is hot enough, you want to start adding borax, and it has to be little by little. Well, I mean, like, let's just say a teaspoon. A tablespoon, I'm sorry. And yeah, so also whenever you see it collecting at the bottom and it's really cloudy, that's when you know it's ready. We used half a cup of borax. So as you guys can see, it looks very cloudy. So the next step, you want to grab any type of dye, any color, and just add a little bit. I'm using violet or purple. Alright, so now you want to turn off the fire. And so the coil and the skewer that we made in the beginning, this is the time when we are going to use it. So let's just dip it in here. After you do that, you want to grab a plate or anything that you can cover it with. Center it. So after you do that, you want to leave it overnight, and it should be ready. Okay, so it is the next day, and I waited about 12 or more hours. So let's go ahead and check it. All right. So they look very nice. Let's see. As you can see, they look better, a little bit better in the front, or in the back, I mean. So you can do anything anything you want with this crystal. You can, let's just say, put it as a decoration in your home, your room, anywhere. So yeah, guys, this is how it looks like. This is the end result, and it looks very beautiful. So as you guys can see in the video, it was a pretty simple process, but it's still pretty and worth it. So if you guys make this, please comment down below and tell me if it was successful and if it was a fun process. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.